See this guys, this person $36 per hour and just doing a copy paste job, animated job. Do you want to learn $75 per hour? Already given 59 jobs. Okay, 60 jobs, $35 per hour. How people are actually doing such kind of jobs all around the world by just sitting at home? Do you want to know how you can do it? You can see this guys, $600 per hour. Do you want to know how copy paste things you can do it? No skill required guys, no skill required. Whatever your niche is, you can do it just by cut copy paste thing, and you are posting your offers in just like a professional. Okay, just watch along this video and I'll show you step by step how you yourself can earn a good amount of money by just copy pasting things. No prior skill are required and you are getting paid a good amount of money by just sitting at home. Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online by just creating video advertisements. Okay, you can see this guys, lots and lots of professionals all around the world are just doing video animations and they are earning $36 per hour. You can see this video animation, and I'll show you step by step how you yourself can do the advertisement part on your own. Okay, so people are actually earning a good amount of money. You can see this guys, $45 per hour, $50 per hour. People are actually doing great job on this website. Okay, all over the world. Okay, and not only this platform guys, you can see this, they just need to create a video picture and they are getting paid for that. Okay, you can see this $5 and already 38 jobs, more than 38 jobs, because we all know that guys, the people who are actually posting their reviews are actually less than the people who are getting the job done. Okay, you can see this guys. Do you want to know how you yourself can earn a good amount of money? You can see this $35. How people are actually earning this much. So what type of efforts do we need to put? So I've already shown you guys how to create an account on Fiverr.com. Okay, if you have not watched my video, I just gave a link on the I button. You can just check out on the video which I have show you step by step how to create account on Fiverr.com and how to post a gig. So now what we can do here, you just come up here in this canva.com and just need to click on this create a design. Okay, and you just need to type here animated social media. Guys, what? Animated social media. You just need to click on this animated social media and you are redirected to this template. Okay, where we can download huge type of advertisement videos. You might have seen these kind of advertisement. You can see this guys. Okay, you have seen this advertisement, you can see this. Okay, let us suppose we want to make something like this advertisement. Okay, if we want to change this tag that welcome, okay, we can also do it. Okay, we can even change the layouts as well guys. Okay, you can see this, we can even change the layouts. This is how you need to do. You can even change the colors. So this thing will give you more compatibility. This platform will give you more compatibility on how we can design it. Okay, how we can design our logo. You can see this guys, free logos, how people are actually doing great job on this. You can see this. Okay, if I just need to add this thing, okay, replace the current page. Okay, you can see this guys. Okay, if I want people to come up here in this advertisement, okay, you can do it. Okay guys, so it's a great thing to you to make an advertisement by just copy pasting things guys. You do not have to do anything, and for this people are actually going to pay you on this platform. So you can see this how people are actually posting their services on this platform. Okay, so what do you need to do? Let us suppose I just need to download this service. Okay, just I need to click on this download button. Okay, I just need to download it. That's it guys, free of cost. This advertisement I just need to download it. Okay, now what I need to do guys, I just need to first sign in. Okay, I'll show you step by step how to do it. Okay, just do the Google sign in, and I'm showing you how to post a gig. Okay, so just wait for this time. I just need to enter my password. Okay, so I have quickly done it. Okay, I just need to come up here, and that's it guys. So I just need to post a gig. That is why I'm showing you guys what is the strategy to give more customers. Okay, so just come up here and just come up here in this dashboard. You just need to come up here in the switch to selling. Okay, so you can see this guys. What I need to do, just share my gig. Okay, so now what I need to do guys is to create a gig. You can see this. I just need to create a gig. Just click on this create a new gig, and what I need to do, I will do the animated advertisement. Okay, I will do the animated advertisement. That's it guys. Okay, so what you need, you can give whiteboard or animated explainer. Okay, video animation that you can perform. Okay, the file formats you can select MP4. Okay, MB4 or MP4 you can select. Okay, this is the thing. Okay, video animation, okay, or we can say that animation and advertisement. Okay, advertiser. Okay, just click on this save and continue for the next gig. So you can see this guys. Okay, and you just need to add your package. Okay guys, so I just quickly do the basic package for getting paid. You can see this premium package. Just need to copy paste it. Okay, one more site I just show you guys for a bonus section in the end. Okay, so that you will getting an insight. So just be with. Okay, I just gave 2 advertisement I just need to give 2 advertisement videos. Okay, copy this, paste it, copy this, paste it. Okay, I just gave 5. Okay, I just gave 3. Okay, standard package. Delivery time, here you can select 3 days, 4 days, 3 days and 2 days. Okay, why I just need to do it, I have already told you in my previous videos. For that because guys we want people to buy our premium package, not our basic and standard package. Okay, so we are offering more on this platform. Okay, so just select on this $30. Okay, $35 and this $45. Okay, so that there will be a good average. Okay, 1 day delivery extra is $5. Okay, so that guys people want, because for you it's just copy pasting things. Okay, within seconds you can download and create a logo, and you can select your own charges. Okay, you can see this guys, $5. Okay, $1. Just click on this save and continue. Okay, so it's a good way to start, and you just need to give a description, small description. You can give let us suppose guys, you can give here. So guys, I have written a small description. You can see I can create a unique and attractive advertisement for my clients to gain more customers. So this is your key line guys, to gain more customers. Every client wants more customers, so they are just attracted with this catchy line. Okay, I'm having more than 100 templates. Now you ask me a question that, sir, where do we get this 100 templates? You just come up here guys, there are more than 100 templates. You can see this, more than 100 templates that you can modify it and just give it to your customers. Okay, one more website I'm just going to show you, so that you can create you can increase your resources and tools to the next level. Okay, just click on the save and continue. You can see this guys. Okay, I did it. So you can see this guys, what I need to tell here, description. So we want description of the project. Okay, so based upon the description we just need to add this requirement. Okay, just click on this, save and continue, and you can see this. Okay, we just need to give a gig video. Okay, so this is our gig video, guys. I have already shown you gig video. Welcome. Okay, just you can see this, guys. It has uploading. Okay, so it's a great way to start, guys. I just want to recommend you to just go now and just go now and just start an advertisement. It's very easy, guys, free of cost. Not even a single penny from your pocket is going to spend. Okay, guys, I just need to give gig photos as well. Okay, so you can give photos of you can just come up here in this template section. Okay, I just need to see that what type of download that we can perform. Okay, guys, in the form of PNG we can also download. Okay, you can download in PNG format as well. Okay, so that guys, this is a video. Not always the video is working. Okay, so for those who are having slow connections, they are just see the photographs. Okay, so just I just need a photograph. Okay, this is also welcome. Okay, welcome.png. You can see this, guys, same picture. Okay, so this is the best part of this website, guys, canva.com, because you can download here unlimited. Okay, unlimited templates, and you can showcase to your audience. You can see this, guys. I just need to publish. Are you a US person? No, I'm not. If you are, yes, then you can do it. Okay, just click on this. Okay, yes, just click on this, publish your gig, and you are good to go. Okay, just click on this done button. Okay, and you can see this, guys, what type of services that I can give. Okay, you can see this. So this type of services, and you can see this, guys, how people are actually looking on my gigs. Okay, how people are actually looking at my gigs, and how much people are going through. You can see this, guys. Okay, I'm always tell you that, guys, just have some patience and wait for the time your gigs will continue to come up on your site. Okay, so I just want to tell you that, guys, this is a good way, great way that you can offer your services to this platform. Okay, you can do great things. You can download any templates. Now for the bonus section for you is this GIF maker. Okay, where you can do extra things as well. You can see this, guys. You can see this. You can even customize this template. They have hundreds and hundreds of templates. You can see this, guys. Okay, where you can look out and you can do the modifications as well. Okay, so come up here in this platform. You just need to get started and you can perform your gigs as well. Okay, perform your gigs as well. Okay, absolutely free of cost, guys. You can see this. You can do the edit part as well. You can see edit part, and you can perform lots and lots of operations on this. You just need to first sign in, okay, with your Google account, and you are good to go. Okay, so it's absolutely free of cost, guys. Do not have to spend a penny from your pocket. For my personal experience, I just want to recommend you to this canva.com, because, guys, as I said, that you just need to do some modifications on this, and this is an animated scene in front of you. Okay, you can see this. You just need to download in any format. You can see any format you can download and just post it on your gig. Okay, I hope you like this video, guys. Just need to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, so that there is always a motivation to give you the best content, so that you can earn money online by just sitting at home. And just write down on the comment section which country you are from, and the most important thing, guys, what is your skill. For that, I just try to make a video dedicated for you guys, okay, as per your niche. Till then, happy earning.